Hi, I'm Jerry Marr with Gears Program, and this is Wild Facts, where the facts are wild and so are the cats. Well, it's Valentine's Day, and love is in the air, which means I get to dress up as Cupid. Did you know when most people think of Cupid, they think of this? But this is a winged cherub. Cupid originally looked like this, based off descriptions in the Bible. So when Rome came about, they thought, no, let's make it a baby with wings. Because, you know, who doesn't love flying babies? While they're at it, they decided to steal a backstory from Greece. See, Cupid's original name was Eros, and he was actually a pretty attractive guy. His favorite thing to do was hit people with golden tip arrows, which would influence their love and affection, or lead tip arrows, which would influence their disgust or repulse. His most famous story was when he hit Apollo with a golden tip arrow, which made him fall deeply in love with Daphne, who he hit with a lead tip arrow. So she hated Apollo. And he watched him play cat and mouse for a while. Now, his favorite victim is this guy. So this guy decided to dress up as Cupid for Valentine's Day. Because, you know, if you can't get any love, you might as well spread it, you know? So take that, you stupid cherub. Anyway, I'm Jerry Morrow with Gears Program, and this is Wild Facts, where the facts are wild and so are the cats.